Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable floating shutter button on Samsung Galaxy A02 camera. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen, okay, tap the gear icon. In useful features section, you can see the shooting method, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. In shooting method, you can see the floating shutter button. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the floating shutter button on your Samsung Galaxy A02 camera, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on an extra shutter button, you can move anywhere on your screen, okay? Okay, that's it, the shutter button. To take a shot using this floating button on your camera. And okay guys, to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay, we have successfully enable or disable floating shutter button on Samsung Galaxy A02 camera. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.